Happy birthday, Pipa. Today is my big girl's birthday. How old are you today?
5.
Yay! Pipa is 5 years old. Did you see that, Fifi? Did you hear that? Your ate is 5 years old. Say happy birthday to ate. Uh-oh. Alright, so today we're gonna have a Halloween party. We've got all the candies ready for all your classmates. We got all your stuff there for your birthday tomorrow, your birthday party tomorrow. And oh yeah, let's see what Pipa's gonna. She has her hand. She just woke up, guys, so her hair, and then her Halloween bucket. So, happy birthday, baby. Show us your outfit. Wow, that's your birthday outfit. That looks nice. You ready for your birthday party? I can't believe you're 5 years old. My goodness. Pipa! Don't run, okay? Slippery.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Wow. Hi, Pipa. Ate's helping you. Jump. Yay. Got it. Go. Cool. Everyone having a good time. Cool. Spaghetti, carbonara, and chicken from McDonald's.
always around you, and I make you see how beautiful that is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that present the same for you. You can you ride for as long as the world? Sometimes there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a ripple always after the rain. That's what
Pagmamahal mo ay aking isa-isang saglit.
Yay! Hi, go. Hi. Uh-oh, you're spilling. Jump. Okay, go. You gonna jump? Yay.
Happy birthday po! Little boy, you come to me. Wasn't sure I'd leave my all I was getting into. Yeah, I choose to wake up every morning smile. Oh, it's been so good since I saw you.
Iba.
Oh, yeah. Now tell me what you want. Now tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Now tell me what you want.
Go ahead, open it.
Birthday at Viva! Busy-busy na dyan ah.
You want to try?
Done ako na malaman at ako ngayon husgahan.
Oras kami. Same, diba? Same kami.
Hindi naman alam kong muli na, pero di ko kaya bumitaw. Ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako.
Wow! That's from Audrey.
Mali na.
Audrey.
Arya. Main.
Alam kong mali na. Alam kong mali na.
Eto po
Pero di ko
Marcos.
kayang bumitaw.
Wow.
Ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong mali na. Alam kong hindi na mahal. Hindi na nga mahal.
Next from CP. Kurita. Wow. Kurita. Ito oh, from Lara. Slowly na. From Marcos. That's your classmate. Say thank you. Give this to you.
We're gonna go in the room now. You wanna go in the room?